Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio as well as full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.